Are you ready to discover the secret weapons your body needs to fight off illness and feel absolutely amazing? Today, we're diving deep into the world of immune-boosting superfoods, the natural goodies packed with the nutrients your body craves. Whether you're looking to stay healthier during flu season, recover faster, or simply level up your nutrition, this is your ultimate guide. Let's get started. Imagine your body has its very own security team, working 24/7 to protect you from harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria. That's your immune system, a complex, incredible defense system that keeps you safe and strong. But here's the kicker. Your immune system relies on what you put into your body. Think of it like fueling a car. Without the right nutrients, you won't perform optimally. Superfoods, which are nutrient-dense and rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, are the perfect fuel to boost your immunity. Ready to learn more? Let's spotlight the hero foods that make immunity a top priority. When it comes to fighting colds, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are the rock stars of the superfood world. Why? They're brimming with vitamin C, the nutrient your body uses to produce white blood cells. White blood cells are the warriors that fight off infections and protect you from getting sick. But here's a fun fact. Your body doesn't store vitamin C, so you need to have it daily in your diet. Start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water for a quick and easy kick of immunity. Or toss orange slices into your salads for a burst of color, tang, and health benefits. If juice is more your style, swap sugary store-bought versions for freshly squeezed citrus juice. This ensures you're getting the immune-boosting nutrients without the added sugars. Ginger is spicy, aromatic, and an absolute powerhouse for your immune system. It's been used for thousands of years to fight off colds, anti-inflammatory conditions, and even nausea. Ginger is especially effective because of compounds like gingerol, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Got a sore throat or sniffles? Brew yourself a cup of ginger tea. Simply slice fresh ginger, add it to boiling water, and let it steep for 10 minutes. To make it extra tasty, squeeze in some lemon juice and drizzle with honey. The best part? Ginger isn't just for tea. Use it in soups, smoothies, or as a seasoning for savory dishes. It's incredibly versatile and doubles as an immunity booster and flavor enhancer. Move over, kale. The original superfood, spinach, is here to help your immune system shine. Why is spinach so extraordinary? It's high in vitamin C, beta-carotene, and antioxidants, all of which increase the infection-fighting ability of your body. What's more, spinach is packed with iron, a mineral that supports the oxygenation of your cells, crucial for a strong immune system. The secret to getting the most out of spinach? Keep it fresh. While cooking it slightly can release some nutrients, eating it raw in salads or blending it into smoothies retains its natural immune-boosting power. Want a quick, nutritious recipe? Toss together a spinach salad with a handful of almonds and a citrus vinaigrette. You'll be eating your way to better health in minutes. Did you know that your gut and your immune system are best friends? Nearly 70% of your immune cells live in your gut, meaning its health directly impacts your immunity. That's where yogurt comes in. Rich in probiotics, sometimes called good bacteria, yogurt strengthens your gut health, which in turn gives your immune system a powerful boost. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars, which can weaken immune function. If you find plain yogurt too tart, top it with fresh fruits like berries or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. You can also get creative with yogurt. Use it in smoothies, salad dressings, or as a creamy dip for raw veggies. It's an easy and versatile way to build a strong, healthy gut-brain connection while enjoying a delicious treat. While citrus fruits, ginger, spinach, and yogurt are at the top of the list, several other superfoods deserve your attention. Let's take a quick look at these health-promoting champions. Turmeric. Turmeric is famed for its curcumin content, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Adding turmeric to curries, golden milk, or even tea can help your body fight inflammation and support immune function. Garlic. Rich in sulfur compounds like allicin, garlic boosts the efficiency of your immune cells. Chop fresh garlic and sprinkle it into soups, stir-fries, or roasted veggies to enjoy its benefits while adding bold flavor. Almonds. These crunchy nuts are packed with vitamin E, a key antioxidant that helps protect your immune cells during infection. A small handful of almonds makes an excellent snack or addition to smoothies or salads. Green tea. Loaded with catechins and other antioxidants, green tea is one of the simplest ways to strengthen your immunity. Make it a daily habit to sip on a warm cup of green tea for calming and health-boosting benefits. By now, you have an arsenal of incredible superfoods to help your immune system thrive. But how do you ensure you're incorporating these into your daily routine? Start by keeping a variety of these foods in your kitchen and experimenting with recipes where they shine. Here are a few practical ways to incorporate all these superfoods into your meals. Breakfast. Start with a nutrient-packed smoothie made with yogurt, spinach, ginger, and a splash of orange juice. Lunch. Toss together a spinach and garlic salad with a drizzle of turmeric-laced vinaigrette. Dinner. Make a warming soup with ginger, garlic, and citrus for a cozy immune-boosting meal. Remember, your health journey is personal, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with these superfoods to find what works best for your routine and taste preferences. Here's a quick summary of the superfoods we've covered today. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits, amazing sources of vitamin C for infection-fighting white blood cells. Ginger, a warming root with anti-inflammatory compounds, perfect for teas and soups. Spinach, a leafy green loaded with vitamin C, beta-carotene, and iron for cellular health. Yogurt, rich in probiotics to support gut and immune system health. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory powerhouse packed with curcumin. Garlic, a potent antimicrobial that boosts immune function. Almonds, a crunchy source of vitamin E for long-lasting immunity. Green tea, a simple beverage loaded with antioxidants for overall well-being. Your immune system is your strongest ally, but giving it the care and attention it needs is all up to you. Superfoods are nature's way of saying, take care of yourself. So why not start today? Which of these superfoods are you most excited to try? Is it the vibrant citrus fruits, the gut-loving yogurt, or perhaps a new recipe featuring turmeric or garlic? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas and experiences. And hey, are you enjoying content like this? Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who could use a dose of healthy inspiration. Together, let's fuel our immune systems and embrace a healthier, happier lifestyle. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.